Welcome back to 3611 Clifton. Now, how long has it been? 2 years now since I've been working on this. Yeah, today is January 5th, 2021. So that makes it 3 years, I think. Oh my gosh. So here's the status of the house. We have now decided to sell it as is, which meant cleaning everything out first. So the first thing to look at is what used to be a queen's wreath vine that just pretty much filled up that entire driveway, covered this entire side of the house. That was a week's project to get that taken down and done away with. So, but this is the look at how the house looks now. We've taken off the 3611 Hooten sign, and that's one thing I'm going to treasure. I'm going to save that. But that's what the house looks like after all the cleanup was done. Come around to the side of the house. At one point we brought up all the stuff from the basement, and pretty much just one room from the basement pretty much filled up the backyard. Now this is all empty, ready for the new owners. We've already sold the house. We have an owner who's an investor who's gonna take it over, fix the place up, and he promises to let us have a tour when it's all ready. So, completely empty backyard. This is a huge change. Everything, those bricks all came up from the basement. I got down in the basement, and I don't know what all those bricks are doing down there, but I brought them to that window from the basement and just tossed them up. And so I have no idea what all those bricks were there for. And now here's another look at the backyard with all the junk taken out. It's just kind of amazing to think of what all we did. All right, let's go take a look at the garage. First things first, can you believe all of that? I know that I have video showing how much junk was up there, and we've still saved. I'm going to turn the light up. Get a little more light in here. How about that? Here's another shot of the pears. It's a little hard to see because of the light. There we go. Pears from 1946. Oh my goodness. All right. Now, is this hard to believe or what? That's all that's left of the garage. All right, I'm going to pause it. All right, now we're going to come back in the house and take a look, really see what's been done. There used to be a bunch of junk here, a bunch of junk over here, and it's all gone. Here we go, down to the basement. This used to be a very scary proposition. And I still have a little trouble with my left leg. This used to be my dad's bedroom and my Uncle Bill's bedroom. I guess I don't know if Gracie ever used this as a bedroom. At one time, there was a furnace down here, and that got taken apart piece by piece and pulled out and replaced by stacks and stacks of junk. Some valuable things were saved, but most of what was down here was pure junk. This was all these shelves, everything, this floor, everything stacked shoulder high with boxes of stuff. Oh, and just useless stuff. And down here was boxes of jars. I'm gonna save jars. And that's what it looks like now. This room, this was so full of stuff. I didn't have any idea how big this room was. It's actually not that big a room, but it was just crammed with old clothes, boxes, and crates. And now, this is what the basement looks like without any stuff. All of the Hooten family is going to be kind of amazed by what it looks like to see this room empty. All right, I'm going to pause it again. There's the kitchen. That doesn't look all that different. There wasn't that much stuff on the kitchen. There's a lot of stuff in the cabinets that's was taken out years ago. But this room is where your room. Really silly. See the difference? Is that unbelievable or what? All the credit for this entire room goes to Colleen. She did this pretty much by herself. Took every bit of junk out of here almost entirely by herself. Here's how the bathroom looks. I'm sure they're gonna, the more I look at that bathtub, it's minuscule. I would hardly be able to get in. I'm sure they're gonna replace that. I thought maybe they could put a shower over it. I don't know, maybe but the plumbing is gonna have to be replaced. Turn on the water and nothing but rust comes out of the rusty water. Ew. Okay, how about this room? Is this unbelievable? Here we go. One empty room. This used to be Granddad's room after he no longer stays in the room upstairs. So, all empty. Empty, empty, empty. Yeah. Trying to get it from every angle because I don't remember exactly what my other video is going to look like. Okay. And here is the living room. This is all that's left. After months and months coming over here 2, 3, sometimes 5 days a week to work at this place. And now it's empty. So here we go. Man, this is a lot of work. Now that I look at this, I appreciate just how much work it was. It was a little bit crazy. How did you get back up here, you sneaky dog?